Well, no relief in sight for the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. He continues to be behind bars in Tihar jail. Status quo not changing for Arvind Kejriwal. Why is that? What are the legal challenges and what is the way forward? We'll try to unravel these questions. We'll try to answer some of these questions. But before that, a quick recap. It was last week on June 20th when just 4 minutes prior to 8 p.m., a little late in the evening, the trial court, while being critical of the ED investigation, at one point also observing as a part of its order that the ED is acting with a bias against Arvind Kejriwal. And with that observation, the trial court had granted bail to Arvind Kejriwal. This, importantly, the order was not uploaded until the next morning. Now, what was expected is that Arvind Kejriwal would be released by 5 p.m. the next day. There were celebrations by the Aam Aadmi Party workers, but the Enforcement Directorate threw a spanner in the works in the form of an appeal before the Delhi High Court. The very next morning at 10:30 a.m., the ED counsels appeared before the Delhi High Court, made a strong case that this entire trial order is perverse, that the ED counsels were not given a fair hearing, and that on that count, the bail should be cancelled. Now, the arguments lasted a fair bit on Friday, which is June 21st. But what's important is that the Delhi High Court said that we'll reserve the order, and until we give a final judgment on the matter, the bail order cannot be given effect to. The bail order shall remain stayed. Now, that is something that irked Arvind Kejriwal, his legal team, the Aam Aadmi Party, and they knocked on the doors of the Apex Court over the weekend, and it is that matter that was taken up for consideration before the Apex Court. Here, it was again argued by Arvind Kejriwal's counsels that it is unprecedented for a mere mentioning by the Enforcement Directorate for the bail to be stayed, that Arvind Kejriwal in no form can be construed to be a flight risk, and also that even if bail is allowed, even if Arvind Kejriwal is allowed to be released, if the bail is cancelled at a future date, he can always return to the Tihar jail. There can be no issues with that. And based on that submission, they had sought for his urgent release on bail. The Apex Court, however, drew the attention of the counsels back to the Delhi High Court proceedings. The Delhi High Court, at the time of reserving of the judgment, had said that they will take a couple of days. They will allow time for written submissions to be filed by both sides. And importantly, had said that between June 24th to 25th, which is either today or by tomorrow, the Delhi High Court will give its judgment on whether or not the bail can stand or whether the bail should be stayed or cancelled. Now, this is something that the Apex Court took note of. The Apex Court said that given as how the Delhi High Court is just about to pronounce its order, it would be tantamount to preempting this High Court order, and therefore the Apex Court said they do not see it as a fit case for intervention at this point. However, what the Supreme Court has, however, said is that a couple of days from now, which is day after tomorrow on June 26th, they've slated this matter for further hearing. So essentially allowing Delhi High Court that one-day window of June 25th, tomorrow, to come out with its judgment on whether or not the bail can stand or whether the bail deserves to get cancelled, and thereby allowing grounds for Arvind Kejriwal to knock on the doors of the Apex Court once again. So all is not lost, but there are many questions that need to be answered. The first question that needs to be answered by the Delhi High Court is that whether or not the bail is sustainable. And next, of course, whichever side the Delhi High Court decides, either of the two sides, the aggrieved side is expected to move the Apex Court, and that hearing is due to happen on June 26. So clearly, the next 2 days will be critical for the Delhi Chief Minister in deciding his fate on whether he remains locked inside Tihar jail or whether he's a free man.